Killing shell equals true process results in resource warning. Subprocess is still running. Following the advice from how to terminate a Python subprocess launched with shell equals true. I have a process that I start with the following. My _cmd is in the form of some _cmd that periodically outputs to _step. grep some fancy regex is greater than some output file.txt. I kill the process with the following. After killing, I get the following warning. Why am I getting this warning?
You didn't wait for the process to end. Even if you kill the process, you're still supposed to wait for it so you don't have a zombie process hanging around. Python is warning you that you didn't wait. Add a process.wait call after killing it.
If you want support the channel, please consider subscribing.